Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and as you can see, we're going to take a look at this deck called the Crystal Blessing Cards by Valencia Chan. Now, I like the crystal decks because you've almost got, if you believe in how the energy works with crystals, you've got 70 card decks, you've got 70 crystals, and that's how I see this. So I do rather like the crystal decks. Now, we've got 70 cards. Here's the box. Oh, can't get it closed. Guidance on your spirit. Each crystal blessing card features a colour photo of the crystal, a description of its meaning, and an affirmation. Choose a single card to receive a crystal blessing for the day, or use the cards as an oracle deck for insightful assistance with a situation. And then, of course, if you do use it for that, you just simply ask the cards a question. Right, pick a random card to receive a message for the day. Use as flashcards to learn about the crystals. That's a really good idea. Use as an oracle deck for guidance about a situation. Tune into a card to gain benefit and energy of the crystal. So, there you are. You see, you can read that. Just press pause. Enter the age of Aquarius, which we are. Does anybody actually know when that is due? Because I thought we were here already, but some are saying not. So the astrologers will know, won't they? So that's the deck. That's an instruction card. This is the back of them. And then I'm just going to show you them. It's gone through. So they're all in alphabetical order. See if I recognize any of them. I do a lot of them, actually. It's nice because you can just literally, I would use them as an oracle deck, to be honest. So I would just literally shuffle and then pick a card. And if you can't decide which one, use your pendulum and then read that card. I say you've got 70 crystals at your fingertips here with this deck. Oh, Herkimer a diamond, lovely. I'm just thinking then, I don't think I saw lapis. But there we go. Because there aren't 70 crystals there are also, so I wonder what made her choose these ones in particular. Shungite, I've got a lot of this in the house. I'll tell you a story about shungite. Was that I obviously was concerned about EMF, so I got a big pyramid of shungite and I put it by the Wi-Fi and it completely destroyed it, which is a good thing but not a good thing. So it definitely works. And I heard a story once about how the Russians would crush the shungite and place it on the walls of hospitals to allow with healing. Amazing. Right, I'm not going to shuffle them. I'm just going to literally randomly go. There we go. Sensitivity. It resembles snow, like a snowball. It's fragile and can crumble if mishandled. Do you feel the harshness of life can break you? Oconite, being a crown chakra crystal, connects to the higher self. It can sense when the things of a lower frequency are not a match for you. Use this stone in your sensitivity to connect with your higher self and guide for you to safe place. Right, so the affirmation would be, I use my sensitivity to give me guidance on the energy around me. I know that I am safe and that all is well. Lovely little deck, isn't it? What was it I was trying to see, because these are all in alpha. So let me just see. H-I-J-K. No lapis. Okay. So like the common ones, like all the quartz, these are like crystals. You got amethyst? No. So these are the working crystals, aren't they? Yeah, so expect to find the more unusual ones. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you've enjoyed that. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. This is the Crystal Blessing Cards by Valencia Chan. I'll force that box closed in a minute. Okay, thanks very much. Bye-bye.